Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping for World's Greatest Medical. Today, we're looking at the top 5 blackhead videos on Instagram's @GreatestMedical. While you watch these, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for updates. Also, consider checking out the link below for blackhead masks and pimple popper tools. We'll have more about those in a moment. Hey folks, this is Watson. Have you been curious about carbon facial masks? Well, I want to show you one of my favorite beauty masks. Carbon facial masks help restore collagen, which naturally fills in wrinkles and rejuvenates skin. They also help unclog pores and prevent new blemishes from occurring. This mask gives you multiple uses for well under 20 bucks. It has high quality ingredients and will leave you with beautiful skin and a healthy glow. Just follow the Amazon link below.